Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel German Talks. Today we are going to start with a new series of vocabulary. There are many different ways to you can improve your vocabulary. In this part of series we are going to see if there is a prefix in front of a verb, then how we can see the meaning of that verb. For example, we have a verb bleiben. Bleiben means to remain or to stay. I think this verb you already know, to remain or to stay. Now, if there is a verb of bleiben, that means to stay up. Of bleiben means to stay up. Here it is a separable verb. What does this separable verb means? It means trennbar verb. Trennbar verb. And you all know what is trennbar verb? This part will be break and this part will be break. This part will go at the end of the sentence and this part will be goes at the second position in a conjugated form if you are not using the modal verb. Auf bleiben. Auf bleiben means to stay up. Ich bin die ganze Nacht aufgebleiben. Here it is in perfect form. That's why it is GE, aufgebleiben. Ich bin die ganze Nacht aufgeblieben. I stayed up all night. Ausbleiben. To fail to occur or be absent. Aus, you already know this preposition means out. Out. So bleiben means to remain and aus means out. So something which is remain out means absent. Trotz aller Anstrengungen bleibt es. Despite all efforts, there was no victory. Dabei bleiben, to stick with. Dabei bleiben, to stick with. Began diet zu lieben, ist aber nicht dabei geblieben. Again, perfect form, you can see GE. Chapter 9, Netzoik A1. He went on a diet, but he didn't stick to it. Again, dabei bleiben, to remain as before. Es blieb dabei, basta. That's how it's gonna stay, case closed. Fernblieben, to stay away from or be absent. Fern again means distance. We also say Fernsehen, means TV. So fernblieben means to stay away from. Wir blieben ihnen fern. We stay away from them. You can see here these all are separable verbs. That's why these all are breaking. Here in this case why it is not breaking? Because here we are using again a helping verb. That's why. And in this case also. Stecken bleiben. To get stuck. This stecken means to stick. Now to get stuck. Die Arme ist im Schlamm stecken geblieben. Again, perfect form. The army got stuck in the mud. Now, these are inseparable verbs. Inseparable verbs means which are not going to break. Though there is some prefix, but they are not going to break. These are not trennbar verbs. Unterblieben, to stop, not occur. Künftig hat das zu unterblieben. In the future, that's got to stop. Verblieben, to remain or to continue. Mein Onkel ist nicht lange in Beruf verblieben. Mein Onkel ist nicht lang im Beruf verblieben. My uncle did not continue long in the profession. Like this, if you will do, you can improve your vocabulary fast. For example, if you know bleiben and now you just need to add all this prefix and you can make sentence in your schreiben also, in your sprechen also. Also many times in your A2 and B1 level, you will find these types of verbs in your book. So you just need to remain this root bleiben and if there is aus, you can also guess it. Fan, you can guess it, okay, this is the meaning. Same like this, there are many verbs in German language. For example, treffen, nehmen, and so on. There are many verbs. In front of that there is some prefix and which going to change the meaning. This is the one way you can improve your vocabulary. So if you are making the notes, you can just write this and the meaning and also the examples. And also if you want the PDF of this file, you can contact me on my Instagram, German Talks. If you like this type of vocabulary, please let me know in the comments so that I can make more videos like this. So yeah, that is all for today. Danke schön, auf Wiedersehen. Ciao.